Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a photo on Instagram after posting. So actually it is very easy. I'll show you the only way of how you can do it. So simply go to the Instagram, and here I will create a new post with my photo in it. So click on the plus button in the top right corner, go to the post and choose a photo for your post. Click next, next and share. And now we shared our post on Instagram, and now it will load just something. And here, as you can see, here is our post, and for example I want to replace a photo from this post to another one. So to do this, I need to simply click on the three dots in the top right corner next to this post and click on the edit button here. And as you can see, there is no option to basically replace the photo. You can only edit alt text, tag some people, write a caption, or just simply add some music, etc. But there is no option to replace the photo. So the only way of how you can replace the photo to this post, you need to simply click on the three dots and basically delete this post, confirm the deletion of this post, and remake this post clicking on the plus sign, choosing the different just simply photo right here. Click next, next and share. And unfortunately this is the only way. Instagram didn't make any other options of how you can replace the photo. This is the only way of how you can do it. So basically that's it. This is how you can replace the photo after posting on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.